Hey guys, come on in. Let's see what's going on in today's video.
Alright guys, Emerald Gypsy Heart here. I am going to show you how Shay does it. We need to do some work on our back steps. They're rotting. I'm going to do a temporary repair. Anyway, so let me show you what I'm working with.
Okay.
And
This is the steps currently. Material, like I said, it all has to be taken apart and a whole new set has to be done. But I'm going to show you how Shay does it. So, let me show you what we have to work with. So, I bought this product called Gripper. Ooh, not impressed. This was supposed to add grip, so I don't have to put shingles. Do a product review on it at another time. And it's like a white primer paint, and so we're priming the riser pieces, and then they'll be spray painted fluorescent pink. And my son is pulling up the broken step pieces for me, and we'll see how this goes. Alright, he's broke up the original step that was there. The new riser is in. So, I don't think it's bright enough. I might find a different color, make it a little brighter. No, I'm kidding. So, we have the next step and the landing to do next. Alright guys, we'll be doing some more DIY and things around the house coming soon. So, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. Ring the bell so you know. And guess what? We'll see you in the next video. Bye!